I've made this video hoping it might be a talking point for you people, and it's on about forms and forms in general. And you've heard people who watch the videos about me going on about PHP forms and why they're so important. But this is a form that I put on CodePen. It was the one I found actually in one of my archives, because I keep most of the programs and stuff that I've done. This was for a person who required a form, but it's only in JavaScript. And what it is, basically, I'll put the address to this on CodePen. Anyway, basically what it is an HTML email, but with JavaScript as a validation. So for example, when you put in name, if it doesn't put in the name, and email and phone numbers alike, if you put your name in, Nigel, and your email address, I'll just put that in, okay, and you just put them two in, this will come up like that. Please enter your phone number. Okay, so everything is validated, and if you put your phone number in, I'll just put some figures in there. It's not and then what it does on here, what HTML forms mean is basically the mail to tag, or mail to, I'll show you here. It says on the end here, action equals mail to, and that's my address. So the idea is, if this was, well, it is live actually, but if somebody does that, it goes to my email address. So but it's just name, email, and phone number. That's basically it. It doesn't really say what person wants, but you can easily make that into a contact form. The JavaScript validation is important in this. But like I say, this is not a PHP form, and what it does when you submit this, just drag that over a bit, is you have to wait a little bit for this to happen, and it triggers an email client. Okay, well, I haven't bought Office and I don't have it, but if you have, this would trigger, say, Outlook, for example, and it might trigger other things depending on what you have. And what you do then is you get in touch with me, as in this example. But the other thing I wanted to talk about, just touch on anyway, is about contact forms in general. If you have a phone number, say at the bottom, like I've just demonstrated in this, in the email address, that's not my normal phone number, by that was just a made up thing, but this is my email address. And my question really is do you really need contact forms as well, like just normally? Why do we need contact forms? If you're going to put in, for example, in a contact form, what you're wanting from someone whose website it is, why don't you just email them that? And I got this came to my mind because this is what I do. If I see an email address, I just get in touch with them by email. I don't bother with a contact form. And even though I think every website that I've ever done has got a contact form on, I don't actually use them myself if there's an email address. As regards phone number, I never phone anybody because I'm sure I've got phone phobia. But anyway, I just thought that was an interesting topic. Because I know some people might be wondering why I just go on about PHP forms, and just think about it. All opinions are good on this channel. There's, why do you need PHP over JavaScript? And if you can think about why that is the case, I don't know if I've explained why that's the reason, but why in general do we need contact forms when you can give the same information by email? Anyway, just thought there were a few talking points. So again, thanks for all support and subscribers, because there's been quite a few lately, and thanks for watching.